Only this many students there. The first lecture every day.
Yes.
Okay. Recording. Okay. Started. So today's thought: if you want to live a long life full of blessings, respect and honor your mother and father as they are your second God on earth. So we consider parents our second God on earth. Why? Because they show us the right path. They nurture the feelings, they nurture us, the upbringing that we get. We learn many qualities from them because the most of the times we spend with them, either mother or father. So when a child is born, parents are the ones who assure unconditional love to them. The upbringing of children is entirely dependent on parents' love and care, whether it is mental or physical growth, emotional or social development, right? Career establishment, whatever it is. Our parents help us in every possible way. See, ask about the value of parents to those who have lost their parents at a very early age. They know the hardships and struggles to lead a life without parents. We pray to God that the day never comes in anyone's life very soon, because parents have a high influence on children in many ways, including how they walk, how they talk, or act in front of others. I mean, their behavior is influenced by their parents. So in India, the younger generation still follows the parents' advice given when they give elders give them advices. So they are like the roots which will make us strong enough to sustain any hardship, any storm that comes in our life. And the truth is that our parents are a very essential part to help us overcome our difficulties and improve our qualities. Right? Do you all agree?
Yes.
Or okay, others, all others, those who are present, should I expect that they have gone to sleep? What else should I expect? Who else is listening to me intently? So, chapter 5 for athletes. Athletes. Who are athletes? Play different games, tennis, right? Badminton, hockey, different games are there. So, this chapter is for athletes, chapter number 5. That is a poem, like it is written. And you can see the unit's name, it is sports. And chapter 4 was also about sports. So chapter 4, 5, 6 are all about sports. Here we have to identify and talk about different sports. They have given one normal exercise: work in pairs and identify the sports. Do you know all these sports? All of you? Do you know the names of all? What is this? Which sport is this? Anyone? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
So here you can see different sports. You have to distinguish it, like weightlifting, football, karate, hockey, boat racing, rugby. I had once told you about rugby, if you remember.
Yes.
See, this is rugby. How the ball is caught and people run. So these are different sports. I gave the names, and different sports are played in India. Some are not played. But which one do you like the most from these which are shown, or you don't like anyone? Which is your favorite sport? If not from these, then any other sports that is your favorite?
No.
Badminton?
No. I don't
No.
like any.
Okay. You are a bookworm.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, how about others? Which sports do you like? Amreen, Aisha.
Badminton.
What?
Badminton I like.
Okay. Malkani Rabia. What about you? Modesa, Sakina.
Yes, sir.
Not yes, sir. Which sport do you like to play?
I like badminton, but
Speak
I
loud.
don't play.
Can you tell me your favorite sports personality? At least you might be having a favorite sports personality whom you admire, you like.
No.
Okay, anyone else? Famous sports
Yes,
personality whom you like. Just the person you admire and you like.
I like to play football.
Football.
Yes,
And which is your favorite famous sports personality? Can you tell me? Famous favorite sports personality. I think everyone has at least one.
It's not my favorite. I just like her. Mary Kom.
Okay, Mary Kom, yes. Boxer. Anyone else? See, you can tell me the name of any sports person, but don't tell me the name of a film star then. Famous sports person, like she said, Mary Kom. Anyone? Why so many students are there, but it's not possible that none of you have any sports person on your mind. Yes, Modesa, Ilma, Sakina, Aisha, Aina. Wake up.
sir.
Yes, Malkani Rabia, tell me.
Usha,
What? Your voice was breaking up. What?
PT Usha.
Okay, Pratyusha. The fast runner. Aina, what about you? Okay, no
Which is
problem.
your favorite personality?
Okay, I'll show you some images, then I will tell you. Who is he?
Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Which game? Which game is he famous for?
Cricket, I
Football?
think so.
No, football, I think.
Cricket. Yes, football or soccer. He belongs to Portugal,
Sir, I
actually.
think so. Cricket.
No, soccer, as she said. Football. Ronaldo, come on, we should all know this. Might be asked in general knowledge questions sometimes to identify the pictures. The famous personalities in the world. Who is he? Any idea? He is a basketball player, belongs to United States. LeBron James, the most one of the most famous personalities in the world. You know him? You might have heard. Also famous for soccer, just like Ronaldo is also famous for soccer. Anyone? Any idea? He belongs to Argentina. Have you heard name of Lionel Messi?
Yes.
So this is him. Can you expect a salary around $49 million? $49 million, just a little less than Ronaldo. Is around $52 million. Who is he? Who is he and what is he famous for? Which game? Anyone? Which game you can recognize by his clothes? Can you? He belongs to Switzerland. Tennis player. You might have heard the name of Roger Federer. So this is him, Roger Federer. Have you heard the name?
No.
Okay. This one, golf player. You might not know, belongs to United States, but he's also one of the most famous sports person around the world, and his name is Tiger Woods, golf player. Now, at least this one you should know. You might have seen Nadal, Rafael Nadal, famous tennis player from Spain. Heard the name of Nadal? Have you?
No.
No. Yes, Rabia. Answer to your question is here. Who is he?
No.
What?
MS Dhoni, I guess.
Are you sure?
Now tell which player it is.
Yes, you're right. MS Dhoni. And yes, my favorite sports person, MS Dhoni. Cricket, India. Also, we have seen his biopic. Has anyone seen that movie?
No.
So you don't generally watch movies, or you have not seen this one?
Not seen this one.
Okay, but you might be knowing who has played the role of MS Dhoni in that movie, or
Yes.
not that? Yes, late actor. It's very impressive. You must watch it. Really impressive movie it is.
I don't prefer such sports movies.
Acha. But it's not just about sports. The hardships of life are shown in that. So sports is shown, but not that much. How he became so famous. Okay. What about this one? 1 second. Okay, sorry. Yes. Did you identify this one?
No.
Mm, her name has also come in news several times for tennis. Belongs to Russia. Maria Sharapova. Heard the name?
No, I don't watch news only.
You read newspapers or not?
No.
Okay, वो तो मैं भी read नहीं करता, but just a headline sometimes if I get time. Not deep inside the whole article. I don't read then. Headlines I read, but sometimes. Who is he?
You only tell.
Oh, this one you should know. Why do we celebrate Sports Day? And when do we celebrate it? Uh, in the month of August
29.
this month. Yes, Rashtriya Khel Divas or National Sports Day in India. It is also the birthday of Major Dhyanchand Singh, the Indian hockey player who put India on the world hockey map and won gold medal for the country during the Olympics three times in 1928, 1932, and in 1936. The gap of 4 years, three times because Olympics are conducted for the gap of 4 years, just like the Cricket World Cup. So three times in a row, he won gold medal for India, Major Dhyanchand Singh. So it also marks the birthday of Major Dhyanchand Singh on 29th August, and so we celebrate National Sports Day. Famous hockey player. Okay, let us read the poem. It's a very short poem, as you can see over here. Five stanzas are there. The language is very easy. So, see what is given in the introductory lines. Many sports people are role models for youngsters. You all will agree, right?
Yes.
Many youngsters blindly follow this. Read sports reports of sports people being disqualified from sporting events for taking drugs or behaving badly. We read in news many a times. It is not good to read all that kind of news. It is very unfortunate that many sports people they get disqualified during the game while the game is going on, or later on they are not taken into the team. They are not considered to be a part of team just because of the things that are wrong. Like sometimes they are indulged in the wrongdoings, like taking drugs, so that they can play really well for a long time. They will not get tired if they take that kind of drugs. They inject that kind of drugs, and sometimes they behave badly with the referee or the captain. Their conduct is not good, so they are disqualified immediately. So when they are on the television screen, the world is watching them, or at least the country is watching them. They should not do this. Because the youngsters, the teenagers, like you all, means I'm just telling your age group. Some of them, especially boys, they are very fond of them. If their conduct is bad, they show that on television. Then what will the children learn? So shouldn't sports people behave more responsibly? Don't you think that it is the responsibility because they are on the television screen everywhere? The screens, uh, like if it is cricket match, World Cup or T20, so you see mostly majority of people watch that. So it is their duty to behave responsibly. They are being observed from everywhere, from all the corners of the world. So find out what the poet has to say on how they should conduct themselves. So the poet here, Shirley Mitten, that is the name of the poet, Shirley. Mitten, what does she say? That how should their conduct, means how should their behavior be in front of the television screens when they are playing sports event? When it is a personal life, it's a different thing. They are not in front of the camera. But when they are being observed, they should behave responsibly because the children are watching them. They are learning whatever they do. If they do something wrong, it becomes a trend. It is being followed then.
Hello, sir.
Am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry. So, the poet Shirley Mitton has to say that it is a responsibility to behave properly, that the conduct should be good, so that the people, those who are watching them, especially the youngsters, won't get a wrong message or won't learn anything wrong from them. When you are famous, you are more responsible. That is what is expected. So, I want someone to read the poem. Who will read it? Anyone?
Can I, Rabia?
Yes, Rabia.
There are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. There are little hands all eager to do anything you do, and a little boy who is dreaming of the day he'll be like you. You're the little fellow's idol, you are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicious ever rise. There's a wide eyed little fellow who believes you are always right, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night. You're setting an example every day in all you do for the little boy who's waiting to grow up to be like you. Written by Sherry Unity.
Okay. So the poem addresses it. It tells us the issue of moral responsibility. All adults need to shoulder to set the right example for children, particularly if if they happen to be in the limelight. If the sports people or if the adults they are in the limelight, they are
They are in the
famous,
limelight. They are
then
famous.
this
Then it is
mute your mic, Modesa. So if they are in the limelight, it becomes their duty, their responsibility to set the right example for children. Focusing on sports people in particular, the poem issues a word of caution. It gives a warning to those who turn a blind eye, means who ignore the fact that every act and word uttered by them, uttered by the famous people, famous sports people, makes an impact on the impressionable minds of the young. The young minds are impressionable, means whatever they see, they absorb it immediately. They idealize them blindly, they follow them blindly, they make them their ideals. To the young minds, these icons, means these famous people and the stars, are their ultimate role models. They only admire them. Hence, developing the integrity of character is the need of the hour. Integrity of character means what? Being honest, being truthful, being responsible. That is the integrity of character. That is the need of the hour. Means, as of now, the integrity of character is seen to be lost from many sports people. So that has to come back. The integrity of character, the way they behave with others, their honesty has to be brought back in all the sports people and the sportsman spirit, so that the young impressionable minds will get the right example. They have to set the right example for the children, those who are observing them day and night. So this objective is to understand that success comes with its own set of responsibilities. It just is being successful is not an overnight journey. It comes with a set of responsibilities, and being famous, right? Being famous is not a cakewalk. It is not a thing that you can just achieve in a day or two. It is not a cakewalk. It takes efforts. It takes time and dedication to become famous, and it just takes a minute to come down and get shattered and come back on the ground again, right? We have seen many people. So that is what the poem is about. We will continue with the poem. And sorry that there was some network issues. I had to, because I left it in between. And we will continue in the next lecture. Okay. Anything else?
No,
Okay. So I would like to just give you homework. Like, it's not that kind of homework that you will write something from the poem, but try to search about at least one famous sports person and write the details about him, whomever you like. You're a famous sports person, write one paragraph about him or her, if you can. And if possible, see that you if you can. join that photo of that person with that PDF. Just try it if you can. Okay, bye everyone.